Welcome to the bar. Can I get you a drink? Blame it on Henny.
Okay, so we have now. Welcome to Mines View Park. This is the day 2 of our Baguio extravaganza. Here we have the Mines View Park. We're gonna go to the garden, botanical garden maybe next. Also Good Shepherd for some treats. Right now we're just gonna go ahead and give it a look here. It looks really cool. Also those are some souvenir shops. So yeah guys, so we're gonna go inside the park. Nice. Let's see here. The West. No idea what that means. Souvenir shops. More plants. Some comfort room. They have some plants right there.
Some plants many.
Yeah, yeah, but have these.
And look, the mini tree.
Yeah, mini tree. Really cool. I love to buy like a cactus someday. They really are a big fan of plants, as you might see. They have a whole baganza of them. Let's see here. And right there are even more plants. Right there are even more. And all the way to the bottom.
Hey, look, I thought that's a mushroom there.
That's not a mushroom. Those are flowers. We have more plants here. Right now we're gonna go down and see what we can go to real quick. This has changed a lot. I remember going here and be like,
It's like, oh, picture.
yeah.
It's now allowed.
You can even picture, huh?
Hey, look, remember this guy? The German guy?
Yeah, I remember him.
Yan ang pinakamabait na aso dito sa Baguio.
Those things never bite. Ever. Like, it's really, really nice. But right now, we're gonna get a couple of views from this. Hopefully, we will have better views to go to. But right now, I think we're gonna take another photo of the dog. Maybe even video it, who knows. So, you wanna try the dog? You wanna try the dog? Look at that thing. Look at that thing. Huge. Jeez. Like, compare that there. That thing is humongous. Like, goodness me. Look at that thing. Is humongous. Damn. That's so cool. What if you had a dog like that? Would you have a dog like that? Goodness me. That's crazy. There's also costume. You can go ahead and costume like that. A tree.
More trees.
Look at all the flowers.
More trees.
Of course, they can never go wrong with trees. It's a lot of trees.
For $50. Oh, that's a real
Trees. Yep. It's an actual horse. Look at that thing. Magnificent. It's a white horse.
Wow.
There's also another one right there. I prefer that one way better. Goodness me, that's crazy. There's also even another one there. Let's look at that. There's also those ones right there.
Hey, remember there's a legend says that there's some kids there who go down there for coins.
I don't think that's real. I don't think that's real, to be fairly honest.
Try your luck.
Try your luck on our wishing well.
Wish for the best.
You drop all the way there? Look at that thing, it's crazy. Man, I wish I had $50. I would want to ride one of those horses. Let's get a top view. Look at that view, holy smokes, Jesus.
Smoky Mountains. SM.
SM. Smoky Mountain. Those are the souvenir shops. Look at that to scale. Those are the trees, those are the souvenir shops. Freaking massive. Please just go to the view deck. This is the view deck. When I go down there, I want to ride one. I want to ride the horse. Guys, you have to pay 1,500 if you littered. That's pretty crazy. So that's why you don't see any litter.
Hey, look, the trees does litter.
Oh yeah, but they can't pay anything, so can't really do anything. Look at that view, boys. That is just magnificent. I want the horse. Yeah, guess all you had there.
Picture taking?
Yeah, 53 shots. Or kapag naka-video ako, then... Hindi, ako na lang. Parang naka-selfie ako. I'm gonna be riding that horse. It's pretty cool. Look at him. So amazing. That thing.
Ano, i-video mo yung sarili mo?
Dang!
I like my glass right there.
And... Dun, 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 dun.
Look at that thing. It's so cool. Ain't that right, Mr. Horsey? Yeah, so we're in a magical adventure. Well, we're not moving, but that's close enough. Hey, got a hat! Got a hat with it. You can see here. His name is Steve. There's going to be Steve the horse. Apparently hat number 2. So, there we go. Yeah, it's fine. Ain't that right, Mr. Horsey? So it's good. Look at that thing. Super calm. Doesn't move. Look at that thing. Goodness thing. It's crazy. Look at that thing. Look at that. The Black Knight with his black horse. Dang. Look at that thing. There goes stats around. Look at them feet on the front. Isn't that right, horsey? Yeah. Look at that thing. Look at that horse, man. Yeah, super cool. Goodness me, look at that. It's really cool. Dang. I want to get horse riding someday. Maybe I can even vlog it, but I don't think it's a good idea because it's really hard to vlog somebody. It's really hard to vlog with a horse. So, yeah, it's really hard. We're going to the view deck. We're going to the view deck. Look at that view. That's not the view that we're looking for. Let's see. Let's go lower. Mines View Park. No other spot best captures Baguio's city's breathtaking scenery, yada yada yada. Alright, so goodness me, the stairs are even hard to go down with. We're gonna take a picture of the view right there. Better hold on to your camera. That thing, if you fell from that height, I don't know what's gonna happen to you. You're not just gonna break bones, you're gonna break every single muscle in your body.
You're gonna break life.
Like, goodness me, look at that thing. It's freaking crazy. I mean, it's a good view, but dang, that's a sheer cliff. Okay, so apparently they bought these costumes.
Not bought, rented.
Yeah, rented. That's actually not bad.
Kalinga? Yes, this is Kalinga.
Kalinga. Oh, pretty cool.
Yeah, this is Pringle.
I thought you're from Cordillera.
May ibang tribes daw eh. Okay, so good day. That's it.
Well, time to go. So where are we going to go next? Good Shepherd? Alright, we'll go to Good Shepherd. We're gonna get some treats. So we'll be right back. Ano po yan?
Ito yung original.
Magkano po yan? 250?
250. Yan yung original, yan yung local. Original na fruit siya.
Original lang.
Ito yung original.
Bakit? Iba ba tunog nito?
Iba yung tunog nito, iba din yung tunog.
So, I mean, kung kaya. Okay, so we're gonna get this flute. May guide?
May guide din ito.
Kung paano gamitin?
Kung paano mo siya gamitin.
Okay. Alright, so ito na. So we got ourselves a flute. It's going to be an original. We also have a bunch of souvenirs. We have dominoes. Maybe the speaker is even a souvenir too. But we also have some wish catchers here. We have bracelets. We also have a keychain there. Look at that tiger. I think I'm focused there. Please, so the level. Let's focus. There you go. That focuses pretty nicely. We also have some pine cones. A lot of strawberries, apparently. Love strawberries. Pencil. Basically, a lot of souvenirs. So I think this is a very good place for getting souvenirs. There's also even, ma'am, ano po ito?
Pana.
Like gumagana pong pana. What the? And they sell bows for whatever reason. They sell bows. That's pretty crazy. And these look like authentic bows as well. You also have like stands for your cars. You also have like a calendar here. Wallets, a bunch of them, like a ton. Look at that. Also t-shirts inside. There's also statues you can buy. There's also flutes. This one is the original, it's $250. These ones are stamped, so hopefully I'll get this one. Although this one's more expensive. This one apparently sounds better than these ones. We're gonna take this one. Gonna try to learn it in a video. Hey, we got a little mirror there. You also have some statues. Look at that. Bundle? What the heck's a bundle? Look at those things. Those things are crazy. Dang. Hey, I remember these. Sungka. Don't know what Sungka is. It's a very cool game. It's basically where you try to get as much pebbles, I just call them pebbles, into your tray. This is player 1, this is player 2. It's a really cool game. I used to play it in kindergarten. And that's something. The spookiness. You're gonna get killed, boy. There's also a ship. Oh man, this looks so cool. Apparently it's a lampshade.
What is this, sir?
Oh, I'm not sure if I'm supposed to show that in YouTube. Family friendly here. Family friendly.
That's what they call art.
Yes, art. Amazing. We have eagles.
Look at this.
Cups.
Party.
We also have a cat, more cats, and more cats. Also have some dolphins. They really like animals, just in case if you don't know. I don't think that's tuned properly. Ah, wait, I remember these. Isn't this the one in the video? I'll show you like a quick peek.
Fuck! 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 Oh!
Where he hits his head in this thing, it makes like this noise. But he hit the chandelier instead. Oh, there's a wish catcher. A dream catcher. There you go, there's a dream catcher. Right there. I've always wanted a dream catcher. Dream catchers. Dang, that's like big dream catcher. Apparently, they say if you hang this to your door, good dreams will come to you, which means you'll have better sleep. They say. And the bigger the dream catcher, the better the dreams are. This one's a very small dream catcher. That's even a smaller dream catcher. Look at that thing.
Let me show you art.
Oh sure, I would love art. Who wants some art? Okay. Well, technically I can show this to YouTube because it is in arts purposes. But apparently they sell these. I do not know why. I do not know what's the purpose of these, but they sell them. Minecraft bows. No, look, there's even bigger ones.
Where?
Look, I'll show you.
Whoa.
These are the big boys.
That's a
Yep, that's what you call a bow. If someone held my tissue with this thing, I will be concerned. Here are some voodoo dolls if you're interested. These are like knives of some sort, like survival knives. Are they even sharp?
Oh, this. Look at it. Look at this.
Like,
Oh gosh.
look at that. I mean, they look real.
It's real. That's why you should be careful.
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I thought they're just fakes. They are real. Oh boy. I'm gonna be 100% honest, I don't trust this guy. They even have spoons and forks made out of wood. They also have these weird statues that you see in UP. There's also more statues that you see in UP. There are a bunch of, what the heck? A cell phone case? A cell phone holder with some dragons because you can't get enough of that. I think this is like either a candle holder or, you know those things where you feed birds? I think that's do with these. And yeah, that's overall of the store. Go ahead and check it out. It's just near Mines View Park. It's really, really cool. You can get a couple of stuff as well. So hopefully you guys like it. And I'll get back to the house or maybe another destination after we get this. Wow. Look at that tree. Holy smokes. That's pretty cool. I didn't even think they can see that.
How do you carve that?
It's pretty crazy. So they climbed all the way up there to carve. Or maybe they took it down, they bring it up and then don't jump! So that's a really cool thing. Damn. So anyone up for a game of hide and seek? We're gonna go into that. Oh, that's I almost dropped the camera. I was like, what? And then I got holy shit. Holy fuck. Yeah, you really have to watch your step in this area. I know.
It's sometimes crowded, but it's beautiful.
Yeah, look at those. There goes a hotel, if I'm not mistaken.
Pine trees here.
Yep, look at those. I think, if I'm not mistaken, you really have to watch it. What the heck? So is this the mansion? Okay, so we were supposed to film in the mansion. I'm not mistaken. It's right over there. Unfortunately, you cannot take videos up close. In fact, in the main area for the mansions, I'm just gonna stick with Rice Park, which is right here. So we're just gonna stick to this one. They have the wooden henge here on some side, and that's just a weird tourist attraction that they do. There's also some more souvenirs and stuff, but we already bought them, so I don't think we need any. We also have these. Oh, we're gonna take a picture real quick. The torches, the side. I don't know, maybe these are trash bins or compost pots. To the lake, there's apparently koi there. There's the cabin, apparently. What the heck is that cabin doing? And this is the way to the souvenir shop in the market. So I'm gonna take a couple of video footage here and see what's up in this area. So we're here in the, well, Woodhenge, as you would like to call it. This is apparently a tourist spot. I don't know what's the purpose of this thing. Maybe there's a historical background to it. I'll try to check it out. But it's a nice place to relax and stay and stuff like that. It's really nice. So next stop. What's our next stop?
I'm not sure if we're gonna go to the horse place.
Maybe Selfries would be nice.
Horse riding place or the Good Shepherd. Good Shepherd? Good Shepherd.
Shepherd.
Kung saan pwede tayong bumili ng jam and other stuff.
Okay, so we're just gonna do just that. Hopefully we can do that as well. Okay, anyways, we went to the 100 steps. I can't exactly film that considering it's too dangerous to, but there you go, that's where we walked to. And the horse! Got the horse? Got a bunch of, apparently have a race track. Now it's like a race track. But you walk around with a horse, and that's up there. Apparently you go there, and basically right here. And that's something. Apparently you can ride those. Those are a ton of horses. Look at those. Damn, we also got those horses. They have strawberry taho. Let's see, then we have strawberry jam. There you go. Strawberry taho.
How is it?
Very sweet.
Commercial ng taho.
So it turns out that we have to walk again. Well, we just passed through that. Now we have to walk again. We have to walk all the way to a freaking market that we don't even care about, and hopefully we'll have something interesting to vlog there. If not, then that's stupid. Oh my god. You could have ridden on a horse. Look at those. Those are cooler than going on a market without buying anything. Okay, so we went in a church for, I don't know, praying or something. Now we're in this altar of some sort. I don't even know whose saint is this. No, I'm not exactly a big fan of religion. But apparently we didn't go straight to the market because that's stupid, ain't it? Instead, we went in an empty church and it just did their thing. I just don't know why. Why is there electrical wires there? Someone can trip it, especially foreigners. But I know we're just gonna go to the market. Hopefully I can stay there in peace. But as of right now, this trip is taking way too long. Okay, well, we took a jeepney, for God's sakes, thank goodness. And we reached the market fish section. Up is the meat section. So right now we're just going to get some seafood to cook for dinner and it should be golden.
Subscribe.